Want to raise your credit score fast, like this month? These proven strategies can give your score a serious boost before you know it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fastest ways to boost your credit score this month. Whether you're planning a big purchase, applying for a loan, or just want better financial freedom, improving your credit quickly can save you thousands in interest and open doors you didn't even know existed. We'll go step by step, show what actually works, and avoid all the myths that waste your time. Before we jump in, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, because these tips could literally change your financial game in just a few weeks. Pay down your credit card balances fast. Your credit utilization, how much you owe versus your credit limit, makes up 30% of your score. Keep it under 30%, under 10% is ideal. Pay down balances before your statement closes so a lower amount is reported. For example, with a $10,000 total limit, keep balances under $3,000 or $1,000 for best results. Make multiple payments each month to stay low, and consider asking for a credit limit increase. Lower utilization can boost your score by 100 points fast, but don't use extra credit to spend more. Become an authorized user. Add yourself as an authorized user on someone's credit card with a long, perfect history. You benefit from their years of on-time payments and low balances without using the card. Parents, spouses, or trusted friends with excellent credit work best. Make sure the card reports authorized users to all three bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Many people see a 20 to 60 point boost in just 30 days, especially if they have limited credit history. You're essentially borrowing their good credit reputation while they stay fully responsible. Fix errors on your credit report. About 20% of people have errors on their credit reports, which can hurt your score. Get free reports from annualcreditreport.com and check all three bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Look for accounts that aren't yours, late payments you actually paid on time, duplicates, wrong limits, or old debts that should be gone. Dispute errors with the reporting bureau, include proof, and send via certified mail. They have 30 days to investigate, and if the info can't be verified, it gets removed. Fixing mistakes can boost your score by 100 points fast. Handle collections the smart way. Collections can wreck your credit, but handling them strategically can improve your score fast. FICO 9 ignores paid collections, but some lenders still use older models. Before paying, negotiate a pay-for-delete agreement. Pay in full or settle for less, and the agency removes the account from all three bureaus. Get it in writing. Never rely on verbal promises. Remember, forgiven debt over $600 may be taxable. Also, request debt validation within 30 days. If they can't prove you owe it, the collection must be removed. This can save your credit without extra cost. Never miss a payment again. Payment history makes up 35% of your credit score. One late payment can drop your score 100 points and stays on your report for 7 years. Set up automatic payments for all bills, at least the minimum, to avoid missed payments. You can always pay extra manually. Payments aren't reported late until 30 days past due, but fees can still add up, so pay on time. If you're behind, catch up quickly. Recent perfect payments matter more than old late ones. Consistent on-time payments can boost your score in a few months. Ask for goodwill adjustments. If you have a late payment but generally pay on time, write a goodwill letter asking the creditor to remove it. This works best if you're a long-time customer with one mistake due to unusual circumstances like medical emergencies or job loss. Your letter should be polite, take responsibility, explain what happened, highlight your good history with them, and ask them to remove the late payment. Keep it to one page and be genuine. For example, mention you were hospitalized and the bill slipped through during recovery, but you've been a customer for years with no other issues. Companies aren't required to honor this, but many do for good customers. If the first letter doesn't work, try again in a few months or call to speak with a supervisor. Some people succeed after multiple attempts. Removing one late payment can boost your score 20 to 50 points or more, since payment history is the biggest factor. This costs nothing but a stamp and a few minutes, making it one of the best credit strategies available. Get credit for rent and bills. Rent and utility payments usually don't help your credit score, even though you pay on time every month. But services now report these payments to credit bureaus. Experian Boost, RentTrack, and Rental Karma can add your payment history to your report. Experian Boost is free from Experian. Connect your bank account and it scans for utility, phone, and streaming payments. Choose which accounts to add to your Experian report. People see an average 13-point increase, with some seeing more. It's free and works immediately. The downside is it only affects Experian, not the other two bureaus. For rent, services like RentTrack let you pay through their platform, and they report to credit bureaus. Some charge $5 to $10 monthly, but it might be worth it if you're building credit. This works best if you've been paying on time. Late payments will hurt your score. You can also ask your landlord if they report to credit bureaus or would start. Some property managers have arrangements with reporting services. Even a letter verifying your on-time history can help with credit applications. Open new credit strategically. A new credit account increases your available credit, lowering your utilization ratio. It also adds to your credit mix, which is 10% of your score. But be strategic because new accounts cause hard inquiries that temporarily lower your score a few points. Make sure long-term benefits outweigh the short-term dip. If you have no credit or very limited credit, start with a secured credit card. You put down a deposit of $200 to $500 that becomes your credit limit. Use it like any card, and the company reports your payments. After months of on-time payments, many upgrade you to unsecured and return your deposit. Credit Builder loans can also help. These are small loans of $500 to $1,000 designed for building credit. The money sits in savings while you make payments. Once paid off, you get the money. The lender reports your payments, building your history. You're essentially saving while building credit. Retail store cards or gas cards are easier to qualify for than major cards. They help build history. Just don't overspend because you have a new card. Use it for purchases you'd make anyway. Pay in full monthly and build positive history. Boosting your credit score doesn't have to be complicated or take forever. By focusing on these proven strategies, paying down balances, becoming an authorized user, disputing errors, handling collections smartly, never missing payments, requesting goodwill adjustments, getting credit for rent and utilities, and strategically opening new accounts, you can see real improvements in just 30 days. Remember, your credit score is one of the most valuable financial tools you have. It affects your ability to buy a home, finance a car, and even get hired for certain jobs. Taking control of your credit score today means saving thousands of dollars tomorrow. Start with one or two of these strategies this week, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you see results. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical financial advice. Drop a comment below telling me which strategy you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial success.